In this video, you'll learn how to manage tabs in Google Sheets. Google Sheets allows you to create multiple sheets within a single spreadsheet to organize your content efficiently. These sheets appear as tabs at the bottom of the window, making it easy to navigate between them. We'll walk you through how to create, rename, delete, move, and duplicate sheets, along with several other useful functions you can perform on individual or multiple tabs. To add a new sheet, simply click the plus icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will insert a new, blank sheet with a default name. You can also add a new sheet by going to the Insert menu at the top and selecting Sheet. If you'd like to insert a new sheet right next to an existing one, first select the tab where you want the new sheet to appear beside, then click the plus icon. Once a new sheet is added, you can easily rename it. To do this, select the Sheet tab at the bottom, then right-click or click the down arrow next to the sheet name. From the menu, choose Rename to change the name. You can also simply double-click the sheet name to edit it directly. If your spreadsheet contains a large number of sheets, navigating can become tricky. You can use the scroll arrows to scroll through left or right. To quickly jump to a specific sheet, use the All Sheets menu located at the bottom left corner. Click it, then select the sheet you want to go to. You can also rearrange the order of sheets by dragging a sheet tab to place it before or after another tab. You can select multiple sheets and drag them together to reorder. Instead of dragging, sheets can be moved by using the menu options Move Left or Move Right. To delete a sheet, simply right-click on the Sheet tab and select Delete from the menu. To delete multiple sheets, select the sheets that you want to delete by holding Ctrl key and click the each tab and then follow the same steps. If you want to create a copy of a sheet with all its content, click Duplicate in the menu. This will instantly create a new sheet with the same data. Same way, you can duplicate by selecting multiple sheets. To copy a sheet to another spreadsheet, choose the Copy to option from the menu. You can either copy it to an existing spreadsheet or create a new spreadsheet for the copied sheet. Google Sheets allows you to move multiple sheets at once by following the same steps. If your Google Sheets document has a lot of tabs, color coding them can make it easier to find what you need quickly. To color code a tab, right-click the tab, select Change Color, and choose a color. The selected color will be applied to the bottom of the tab as a line for easy identification. You can select one or multiple tabs to change the color. Another helpful feature in Google Sheets is Protect Sheet. This lets you restrict who can edit specific ranges, or even the entire sheet. To set this up, select the sheet you want to protect, go to the menu, and click Protect Sheet. A sidebar will open, where you can configure the protection settings. Enter a description for the rule, choose whether to protect a range or the whole sheet, and then set the permissions for who can edit or manage this rule. If your spreadsheet has a lot of sheets and you want to hide one or more of them, it's easy to do. Simply select the Sheet tab you want to hide, right-click, or click the down arrow, and choose Hide Sheet from the menu. In the All Sheets menu, hidden sheets will appear grayed out. Simply click on a hidden sheet to make it visible again. You can also unhide sheets by going to the View menu at the top, selecting Hidden Sheets, and choosing the sheet you want to show. It will then reappear in the sheet tabs at the bottom. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We've got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about today's video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.